In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in a Google Sheet effortlessly. Whether you're organizing data for work, school, or your own projects, ensuring text aligns neatly is crucial for both aesthetics and readability. So, let's jump right into the process and make sure your spreadsheets look as crisp and professional as possible. First things first, we'll need to have your Google Sheet document open. Navigate to Google Sheets and find the document you're working on, or simply create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Google Sheets is a beloved tool for many because of its seamless integration with other Google apps, its cloud-based accessibility, and the powerful data manipulation options it offers. Once your document is open, you're ready for the next step. Now, with your Google Sheet in front of you, the next thing you'll want to do is select the cell or cells where you want to center your text. Simply click on a cell to select it. If you want to select multiple cells, you can click and drag your mouse across them, or click on each while holding down the Control key on your keyboard. Quick note here, if you want the whole column or row centered, click on the respective letter or number header to select all at once. This can save you tons of time and effort if you're dealing with large data sets. With your cell or cells selected, it's time to focus on the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find a variety of icons that allow you to format your cells. What you're looking for is the alignment icon. It resembles a horizontal stack of lines, similar to text alignment symbols you might have seen in word processors. A click on this icon will open a drop-down menu with alignment options. In this drop-down, you will see options to align your text to the left, right, and, of course, center. For our purpose, you'll want to click on the Center option. This will immediately shift the contents of your selected cells to the middle, creating a more balanced and visually appealing layout. Centering text can especially help when you're dealing with titles, subtitles, or any content that benefits from symmetry within the document. There you have it. Just a few clicks, and your text is perfectly centered within your Google Sheet. This process becomes second nature the more you use it, so don't hesitate to experiment and explore other formatting options that might suit your specific needs. Remember, well-organized data is key to clarity and communication, and by mastering these features, you'll make your spreadsheets more effective and presentable. Happy centering!